the Dollar Tree, and they had what? $1 Blu-rays. Stop pulling my chain. Right. Have no idea. I loved her in Bewitched. And that's, we got Colin Firth, all these famous people. Another one of those movies where they go out and they handpick. Oh, he's the prettiest. She's the prettiest. And she acts good. Who knows if this is any good? Before I go to sleep, I'm going to flip it over. It's $1. If I don't like it, I'll throw it in the garbage, right? I know somebody that used to say all the time, let's throw her in the garbage. Sorry. If I throw you in the garbage, it's because the movie's horrible. But don't worry, I won't do that to you. I don't throw anything in the garbage that's worth a damn. I'll give you to somebody else. Let them enjoy it.